Today we're going to be talking about rolling again with our side torso muscle. The muscle is called the Quadratus Lumborum, or the QL. It's located just here at the back on the side, and you can often get this tight if you sit a lot, stand a lot, or do sports like cycling. So a good way to release that tightness is with our foam roller here. So we're going to need a foam roller and the ground or a mat. So we'll pop that on the ground. Okay. You want to make sure you get it on the side but towards the back instead of the front. So as you place it there, you want to angle yourself 45 degrees upwards. Pressing it, roll up all the way to the hip bone and then back down to the rib cage. Now along that point there, towards either end, you're going to find a tender spot, and you just want to hold it there for a little bit to let it relax. And then once it's relaxed, roll up and down again until you find another one and hold it there. You can progress this by lifting your hip up to increase the pressure and the release into that muscle there. Now, if you find that the exercise causes pain or discomfort, then stop straight away. However, it is common to feel a slight discomfort when it's pressing into a tender spot, but that's normal. If you do experience pain, then stop straight away and seek a health professional. Thank you for watching.